Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says the set of values of a for which the function f defined from R to R, this is 1 1. So, you want this function to become 1 1 function. So, if you want your function to be 1 1, your function has to be either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Then only your function will become 1 1. So 1 1 function, it should be what? Strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Then only you will you can say that given function is 1 1. Now if you will observe, this is cubic polynomial and the leading coefficient is positive. So if you'll give minus infinity, it will start here. It will give you minus infinity cube. Okay. And it will end here. So if you want to draw the graph and you wish to have 1 1 function, then you have to make it to be strictly increasing only for this case. If leading coefficient is negative, then you can think about strictly decreasing. Okay, so your for this problem your function should be strictly increasing. And how we used to judge? By doing dy by dx greater than 0. We will get the rooms in which function is increasing, strictly increasing. Okay, so do the differentiation. So we got 3x square plus 2 times a plus 2x plus 3a greater than 0. Now I want this quadratic to be positive. Look at this one. This has to be positive. And it is only possible if the coefficient, this is quadratic, it has to be positive. This means a has to be positive. A means coefficient of x square. A has to be positive and d has to be negative. Then only it will be always positive. Okay, so you want d to, here if you'll observe, a is already positive. Now we have to focus on d only. So what is d? B square. B square minus 4ac. This has to be negative. A positive, d negative. Now I will divide both sides by 4. 4 is a positive number, so it doesn't affect the sign of inequality. So a square plus b square plus 4a minus 9a less than 0. So it is a square minus 5a plus 4 less than 0. A square minus 4a minus a plus 4 less than 0. A minus 4, a minus 1 less than 0. So if you will observe, it is 1, it is 4, plus minus plus. Okay, and we are interested in negative rooms. So negative rooms means what? Less than 0, na? So negative room. So a belongs to 1 to 4. No, no. So these are the values of a for which this function will behave as 1 1 function. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.